Have you ever needed money urgently? Maybe you have a bill to pay, an emergency expense, or you simply need extra cash today. The good news is that there are legitimate ways to make money within the next 24 hours. In this video, I will share real methods that people are using right now to earn money quickly. No scams, no fake promises, and no get rich overnight nonsense. Let's get started. Method 1. Sell unused items. The fastest way to make money is often by selling things you already own. Look around your house. Old smartphones, laptops, headphones, gaming consoles, books, furniture, or even clothes can be sold quickly. Use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, local buy and sell groups, and classified websites. Price items competitively and you may find a buyer within hours. Method 2. Offer local services. People are willing to pay for help. You can offer services such as house cleaning, lawn mowing, pet sitting, car washing, grocery delivery, movie assistance. Post in local community groups and let people know you are available today. Method 3. Freelance your skills. If you have a skill, you can turn it into cash quickly. Skills like graphic design, video editing, writing, translation, social media management, AI content creation. Use freelance platforms or reach out directly to local businesses. Many clients need urgent work completed within 24 hours. Method 4. Participate in gig apps. Gig economy apps can provide same-day or next-day earnings. Examples include food delivery, ride sharing, package delivery, task-based services. The more hours you work, the more you can earn in a single day. Method 5. Tutoring or teaching online. If you are good at a subject like language or software skills, offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. Students often need help preparing for exams, improving English, learning maths, or technological skills. A single tutoring session can generate quick income. Important warning. Be careful of anyone promising hundreds or thousands of dollars with little effort. Real income requires real work. Avoid scams that ask for upfront payments, personal financial information, or unrealistic investment. Making money fast in 24 hours is possible, but it usually comes from providing value, selling assets, or offering services people need right now. Which methods would you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more money making tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.